If you're a student or parent looking at engineering colleges in the Salem area for the 2026 admissions, then this is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about Shree Sathyam College of Engineering and Technology in Sankari. That's TNEA Code 2346. Let's jump straight into the facts. Okay, let's start with what I think is the single most important credential for any college, its official stamp of quality. For Shree Sathyam, that grade is a B++. It's a really solid benchmark, and we'll see exactly what that means. So, what's behind that B++? It's a Cycle 1 accreditation from NAAC, the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. And here's the key part. It was awarded just recently, in 2025, and it's valid all the way until February 2030. That means this quality check is current and will cover your entire 4 years of study.
Right. With that quality benchmark set, let's get into the college's identity and the foundational details you can trust.
So, who are they exactly? The full name is Shree Sathyam College of Engineering and Technology. It's a self-financing institution affiliated to the one and only Aina University in Chennai. You'll find it in Sankari Taluk in the Salem district. Now, for admissions, and this is really important, it's through TNEA, with a clear 65-35 split. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, and the other 35% are through the management quota.
Looking back at their journey, you can see a clear pattern of growth. The college was established in 2011. A decade later, in 2022, they brought in AI and data science. Just recently, in 2024, they added biomedical and IT. And then, in 2025, they secured that B++ NAAC accreditation. It shows a college that's actively expanding its programs. And this gets to the heart of their mission. Their vision is all about empowering students from rural and economically challenging backgrounds. They make it very clear that providing accessible, quality education is what they're all about. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's look at the actual engineering programs you can get into for the 2026 batch. The college has 7 BE programs on offer. Have a look at this table. You've got the branch names, the TNEA codes, and the number of seats. Now, you'll notice right away that the computer-related branches, that's computer science, AI and data science, and IT, each have 60 seats. The other core branches like ECE, EEE, biomedical, and mechanical have an intake of 30 each. And it's worth pointing out that the college is definitely keeping up with the times. By including high-demand fields like artificial intelligence, biomedical engineering, and IT, they're showing a clear strategy to match what the industry is looking for right now. Now, who's actually doing the teaching? This is so important. Out of a total of 73 faculty members, 26 of them hold a PhD. That means more than a third of the faculty have earned the highest academic degree possible in their subject. That tells you a lot about the academic strength here. Let's switch gears to what's on every family's mind. What happens after graduation? This section is all about placements and the kind of financial support available to help you get there. All right, let's talk about the numbers. Based on the placement data we have for the 2024-25 academic year, the average salary package for students who got placed is in the range of 2.8 to 3 lakhs per annum. This gives you a realistic picture of the starting salaries. And who's doing the hiring? Here are some of the top companies that have recruited from the campus recently. You can see it's a mix of core engineering and IT firms, including some really big names in electronics manufacturing like Foxconn and in automotive systems like JBM. You know, all this is great, but how does the college make sure students can actually afford this education? This connects right back to their mission. There are basically 2 main avenues for financial aid here. First, the college's own Shree Sathyam Charitable Trust offers fee waivers, either full or half. And then, of course, eligible students can apply for the whole range of government scholarships, from the first graduate scholarship to the various community-based schemes from both the state and central governments. Last but not least, let's cover the practical side of things. What's life like on campus, and how easy is it to get there? The campus itself is spread across about 10 acres. Very importantly, they have separate, permanent hostels for both boys and girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food, so there are options for everyone. The college bus service is pretty extensive, covering a 60-kilometer radius, and if you're taking the train, Sankari railway station is just about 5 kilometers away. So, to sum it all up, what we have here is a NAAC B++ accredited college that's focused on making education accessible and one that has clearly invested in modern, industry-focused engineering programs. Now, just a quick note, all this information is based on what's available on the college's official website and trusted government portals as we prepared this.
To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.